knowledge makes you great. Thank you all for your patient listening. Namshvaya.
ഇവിടെ ഇന്ന് ഈ പ്രൗഢ ഗംഭീരമായ ചടങ്ങിൽ സ്കൂളുകളിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ പോലീസ് ഉദ്യോഗസ്ഥർ പോകാറുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം. പണ്ട് കാലങ്ങളിൽ ഞങ്ങളെ ആരെയും ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ള പ്രോഗ്രാമുകളിലൊന്നും വിളിക്കാറില്ല. ഞങ്ങൾ 55ലേക്ക് പോകാൻ ആ കുട്ടി മത്സരിക്കേണ്ടത് സ്വയം തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കണം. മറ്റുള്ള കുട്ടികളോടുള്ള മത്സരമല്ല, ആരുമായി താരതമ്യം ചെയ്യാത്ത.
സാധാരണ ഒരു ഫംഗ്ഷന് പോകുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് സംസാരിക്കണം എന്ന് നേരത്തെ കുട്ടി ചിന്തിക്കാറില്ല. കാരണം ആ വേദിയിൽ ഇരിക്കുന്ന ആ കുറച്ച് സമയം കൊണ്ട് നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സിൽ എന്താണോ വരുന്നത് അതാണ് സംസാരിക്കുക.
Achieving the second position. Your efforts have not gone unnoticed. Congratulations.
On behalf of Amrita Vidyalayam management, staff and students, we take the pride in
out a new vision of world. Let us prove to the world that prosperity and development starts within our own selves.
ചെറുപ്പത്തിൽ സ്കൂളിൽ ചേരാൻ ചെല്ലുമ്പോൾ തൊട്ട് നമ്മൾ കാണുന്നൊരു കോളമുണ്ട്. നീ ഹിന്ദുവാണോ, ക്രിസ്ത്യാനിയാണോ, അതേ മുസ്ലിമാണോ? അന്നത് വലിയ കാര്യമായിട്ടെടുത്തില്ല. പക്ഷെ ആ ചോദ്യം നമ്മൾ പോലും അറിയാതെ നമ്മളൊരു മതിലിന് പണി തുടങ്ങിയായിരുന്നു. ഓഗസ്റ്റ് 13, 2018 അന്ന് ഞങ്ങളുടെ നാട്ടിലൊരു മഴ പെയ്തു. മഴയല്ലേ, എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമല്ലേ? സന്തോഷത്തോടെ ഞാൻ ഓടി മുറ്റത്തേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങി. പണ്ഡിതൻ, പാമരൻ, താണജാതി, കോടിയ ജാതി, ജീവന് വേണ്ടിയുള്ള ഇവരുടെ എല്ലാ നിലവിളിക്ക് ഒരു സ്വരമായിരുന്നു.
Bhagat Singh was one among the
प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या के जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड। हवस नहीं किसी पे कोई वश नहीं, क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो। मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत मौत से भी क्यों डरे, ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड, बोले मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड।
Freedom, my fellow countrymen, is not just a destination. It is a journey we must embark upon at every steps of our existence. As I stand before you today, let us remember that the struggle for freedom is not confined to history books. It breathes within the aspirations of every citizen. In the heartbeat of our nation, freedom is not merely the absence of chains. It is the presence of opportunities, equality, and justice. In the pursuit of freedom, let us be guided by the ideals of unity, fraternity, and resilience. Our diversity is not a weakness, but a strength that propels us forward on the path of progress. Remember, my friends, freedom is not granted, it is earned. It is our duty to preserve it for the generations to come. Before I tell you who I am, I need to tell you who Bhagat Singh was. One who sacrificed his life for the freedom of this country. I feel immensely proud in every moment of my life for having lived as his closest friend and brother. Brave Shaheed Bhagat Singh is not just a chapter in our history. He is the heartbeat of our nation's struggle for freedom. With the ink of his deeds, Bhagat Singh wrote a saga of indomitable spirit. From a young age, he displayed a rare determination to challenge the status quo and dreamed of a free just India. Bhagat Singh wasn't merely a revolutionary, he was a visionary. Bhagat Singh's life was a sacrifice that ignites the flames of revolution, inspiring countless others to join the fight. As we remember Bhagat Singh, let us not just recall his deeds, but internalize his spirit. Let his life be a source of inspiration for us to stand up against injustice. May the flame of freedom burn bright within us, lighting the path towards a future where every citizen can proudly say, I am free and my nation is free. Inqilab Zindabad!
मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन धड़काए बदरवा।
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ।
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ। बिजली की तलवार नहीं बूंदों के बाण चला।
this nuisance, you bloody Indians! Get done with your merry makings! Huh? You all are mere slaves of British Kingdom, huh? Bloody Indians! Officers, put inside the vehicles whatever you want. Come on! This is injustice! You invaded our country and enslaved us! Now you want all the products of our cheap labor? We cannot withstand this exploitation! This is wrong! Who are you to teach us the right and the wrong? Let's beat him to death! Don't beat us!
We should retaliate strongly. We are not bound to tie as slaves behind the colonial chains. We should fight against all oppression, sacrificing our lives.
The Jallianwala Bagh massacre on 13 April 1919 is the bloodiest event in the history of Indian freedom struggle. Brigadier General Dyer, a British police officer, ordered the massacre. On 13 April 1919, General Dyer, hinting at a mutiny, banned all meetings. At this time, Dyer was informed that a meeting of about 20,000 people was gathering at Jallianwala Bagh and moved there with his Gurkha regiment. Dyer ordered his soldiers to fire on the crowd without any provocation. The firing continued for about 10 minutes. It is estimated that the soldiers fired about 1,650 rounds until they ran out of ammunition. Such a calculation was made by counting the empty packages of the rice. According to official British figures, 379 people died and more than 1,000 were injured. More than 1,000 people are said to have died. Dyer was fired. Dyer became a hero to the pro-British people of Britain. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre is considered one of the few events that marked the end of British rule in India. Former British Prime Minister David Cameron said during his visit to India that Jallianwala Bagh was the most shameful incident in the history of British India. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre that shook the empire and the Indian conscience happened when Bhagat was only 12-year-old. The death of many innocent lives ignited his revolutionary spirits. On the next day of the incident, Bhagat visited the right place and collected blood-tinted soil and secured it in his room.
लाठी पकड़ी चलते थे वो शान से सालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे पर था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गए My dear people, in retaliation, the protesters attacked, surrounded and ultimately burned down the police station.
Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, HSRA, on 9th September, so as to achieve our primary aim of an independent.
What are your thoughts on throwing a bomb at the Central Legislative Assembly?
Bhagat, it's a risky move, but a powerful one, a symbol of our resistance. Are we prepared for the consequences? Moment, I may end up with these British knights, but I do not care. It is better to die for my freedom, for my country, than for the freedom of motherland to fall dead in the hands of the men who have chained it. In the name of Mother India, I embrace this sacrifice. The echoes of freedom shall resonate through the annals of time. May my final act inspire generations to come. Long live the spirit of independence for the freedom of my country and my name, Azad Inqilab Zindabad. You know the evidence presented and your impassioned statements. This court is left with the solemn duty of delivering its verdict. The charges against you are severe and the consequences of your actions cannot be understated. After due deliberation, this court finds you guilty of the charges brought against you. Your act of throwing a bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly and the murder of officer J.P. Saunders in the city of Lahore, and your acts against the British Empire is deemed a threat to public safety and an act of violence against the state. So thereby, this court is punishing them with a death sentence.
दे